everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time for Sample Stash Monday. So if you are new to my channel, what I do is I pull samples, I try them for the week. Then at the end of the week, I review those samples and pull new samples. I have a new video up every Monday. So let's get started with this. One sample I did not use. That happens to me sometimes. It happened to me this time. And we'll just carry it over. But let me go ahead and jump in and tell you what I used and what I thought about them. And before I get started, if you are new to my channel, I really would appreciate it if you would subscribe. Thanks, guys. All right. First of all, I had the Giorgio Armani Acqua di Gio. Acqua di Gio. To me, I think this is a unisex fragrance, but it is nice. It is not one I personally would purchase, but I didn't mind wearing it. It was nice. I thought it was fine. So, all right, makeup. Let's get in here. First, I had the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint. I'm not a huge fan of this one. I guess I'm more used to a fuller coverage. This one is not a full color coverage. It's a blurring skin tint with sunscreen. This would be nice if I'm going to a theme park or somewhere where I'm going to be outside all day and it's in the summer. I just want a little something to blur my imperfections, but not really a full face of makeup. I'm going to stick this back in my drawer and maybe that day will come up this year and I can put that on and try it. Next, I have the Stila. I have a few more in here. The little Stilas. I used the shade Light 3 and this was perfect on me. Yeah, I'm looking at the shades in the back. I probably would have went beige 4 and I probably could do that when I have a little more color, but Light 3 looked great on me. This says foundation and concealer. I found this to be an amazing foundation. This is one I would consider purchasing in the future. As a concealer, no, it's not a concealer. No, it didn't work. It says it's a flawless finish from dusk till dawn. This is a really nice foundation. I did enjoy that. Now, hair care. And the Moroccan oil for your hair. I've used almost all of this up. I like this a lot. I am really pleased with that. I have maybe, I don't think there's enough left. I'm going to trash that. There's just a little bit left in there. I like how it works in my hair. It makes my hair look a little shiny. What I do is after I wash my hair and I'll towel dry, I put it in my hands and then I scrunch it up in my hair. And I don't use a whole lot because I don't want my hair to get oily feeling. So I just use it mainly on the ends because the ends of my hair are just, that's the worst part because I color and then use hot rollers and curling iron, and although I try not to use those as much anymore, I'm trying to just let my hair air dry. But I did like that a lot. Now, skincare. I did not use my Peter Thomas Roth Irish Moor Mud, so that's going to go back in. I used this Real Chemistry Environmental Rescue Essentials Day Cream. I have a little bit left. I have enough for like one more use, so I'm going to use this up and I'll throw it away. This is okay. It's not really anything exciting. It's a moisturizer. Just a plain moisturizer. I didn't find it anything special about it. I wouldn't be interested in purchasing it. And then last, I had this Glam Glow Thirsty Mud. I'd never tried this before. This is not what I expected. This is a hydrating treatment. I thought it was like a mask. This is more like a sleeping mask. I have some left because, you know, it didn't take a whole lot. That's the color of it. It's not too pleasing, the color. The scent is okay. I find their other products smell so much better. I don't know though. This has a coconut smell to it. No, it's not too bad. But you put it on, see I rubbed it right in. You put it on real thick and then you leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes and then you massage in what's left on your face, or you can just like take a tissue and wipe it off. But it all soaked in on my face. I like this. It doesn't like extremely wow me though, which usually Glam Glow masks do. They like wow me. This one's okay. Now the more that I smell it, the more I like the scent. It's more, when I say coconut, like a coconut macaroon. Not the cookie macaroons, the candy macaroons. You know what I'm saying? Like those coconut candies. It smells like that, which is okay. Yeah. Anyway, that's it. That was what I used this last week. So let's pull new samples. Oh. Fragrance. Still going strong. I have a lot of these. You know, I think today I have a lot of these like little packets. I'm going to grab a couple of them just to, instead of using the sprayers, I'm going to grab a couple of these and try them. Because I haven't. I think these both came from France. I think these are both from Gloria, from her trip to Paris. One of her trips to Paris. She's been several times now. There you go. Now, this is hair. Ooh, twist around here. Hair or body. And I've got some big things in here. Wow. I'm going to pull this out. Well, I'm not doing a lot of pulling. I'm picking today, aren't I? Maybe I should do that. Maybe this whole episode is I pick my samples. Pravana Intense Therapy Treat Extra Healing Mask. Maybe I'll use this. I think I got this in my Walmart box, which I didn't open online, do a video with you guys because I'm kind of bored with the Walmart box. But it's just $5, so it doesn't wow me. But yeah, I think I'll just pull that out and use it. Why not? Next is skincare. So I have one. Today I'm going to pick. I'm not going to randomly pick. I'm going to look in here. Let's look in here and see what I got. That's a sunscreen. I don't need that. What is this? Alright, I pulled this out. This is Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. There's 3 peels in here. Let me open this up. This intrigues me. Okay, there's exfoliate and smooth, and then anti-aging neutralizer. Let me see what you do. 2 minutes to smooth skin. Use daily, AM or PM. First time peel users may apply every other day. Step 1, onto clean, dry skin, use the pad until pad is dry. Wait 2 minutes. Repeat with step 2. To further enhance results, follow with a serum and moisturizer of your choice. Of course, from Dr. Dennis Gross. All right. Let's do these this week. What do you say? Let's do these. That sounds kind of fun. I have my Irish mud mask. I don't think I should do the 2. I'm just breaking all the rules. I'm going to put this back in here and pull this out, and just one other thing, since actually let's just do this week because there is three in here. Let's just do that. I'll pull that mud mask another time. Yeah, I'm just breaking the rules. Why not? Oh, and then this is makeup. And I'm pulling. I am going to look and see what's in here that I might want to try. Okay. Let's see. Oh, here's something I've been wanting to try. The Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I didn't even realize I had a sample of it. I'm going to try that this week. And look at here. These are perfumes. No! This one is. put this one over here. It fell out. This one is MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. A little, tiny little Fix Plus. Isn't that cute? Let's put that in there. All right. So let's go over what I got here. So this episode is where I picked my samples. I picked them. All right. Let's start with my 2 fragrances. Vetiver. I think that means green. I've been saying for years I'm going to learn French. I haven't done it. Should I do that this year? I should make myself learn French. I know Spanish, so that's what makes me think that's green. And then Grain de Soleil. I think that's what that says. It's fancy gold writing that it's hard to read, but there we go. This Pravana Intense Therapy Treatment. My hair needs it really bad. I might, after I film today, I might do that. I might do a really good treatment. I'm excited for this. The Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I really want to try that. The Fix Plus. I love that sample. And then this intrigues me. The Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. I think it's going to be a good week. Now, I'm not going to do this every week. I'm not going to pull. I like just pulling out and seeing what I get. But it'll be a little different this week. It's my birthday week. Tomorrow's my birthday. So I'll pick out my own samples. So there we go. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And guys, I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.